Hey there guys, Nurse Views here, and today we are checking out the TP-Link Archer C54 AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router. Oh yeah. So here's what we got from the box. We have our power adapter, a quick installation guide, Ethernet cable, and this is the Archer C54 AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router. Let's get the details of our router on the next clip. So let's open up our router here. And here we go with our TP-Link Archer C54. So there's our branding on top. We have 4 antennas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got 4 antennas for better signal coverage. You can form them depending on the location where you would be putting the router. So on the back, you can mount this on the wall using these ports here on the bottom. And of course, some details of the router on the center. On the back, we have 4 Ethernet cable slots and 1 for our wide area network or WAN. And up to the left of that is a port for our power adapter. Right here is the reset button if ever you needed to reset the router. So if you position it that way, that looks like an inverted spider now. But however you articulate on the antennas, it is up to you, and it is up to how you can configure the best signal possible for your devices. Okay? Our router is dual band, so you can use 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz signal to distribute your Wi-Fi network. So you can use 2.4 gigahertz so you can penetrate walls, and 5 gigahertz for fast 4K streaming and such same activities. This particular router supports beamforming. So beamforming is where your Wi-Fi connection can be stable even on hard to reach places such as your bathroom or further guest bedrooms and such, because beamforming technology focuses the signal directly towards connected devices. So it helps on boosting the signal and keeping the signal steady. So that is beamforming technology, which you can find on the TP-Link Archer C54. And also, you can use our router in 2 modes. You can use it as an access point or a range extender. If you have a ready Ethernet cable from your main router or where your ISP terminates, you can use the WAN port on the back to make the Archer C54 an access point for other devices. From your ISP's router, connect it here on the WAN port, and then you can distribute the signal further depending on where you put our Archer C54. You can also use this as range extender if you do not have any Ethernet cable terminating from your ISP's router. You can also use this as range extender, wherein you put this strategically on a place where it's open and can reach other devices easily and connect it via Wi-Fi from your ISP's router to the TP-Link Archer C54, and that is how it would extend the signal of your ISP's router to other places in your house. Okay, so that's access point and range extender feature for our TP-Link Archer C54. So there you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the TP-Link Archer C54 AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router. So you've seen on our setup, this really provides strong and continuous signal for our devices, as you have seen on the test, right? We easily set up the device using the Tether app, so I recommend that you download that app. I've been using that app on other TP-Link devices that we have here, so that app really saves time in terms of catching up with the settings and setting up new devices like this one from the same brand. You have seen that how easily we have set this up. From there, you can always customize your settings any way you see fit and depending on your needs. So this is a very much versatile Wi-Fi router, and it is an affordable one. So all those features that comes with it on a very budget only price. So there you go, guys. If you have comments or inquiries about this particular item here, please leave comments down below. But also leave purchase links on our video description if ever you wanted to purchase the same TP-Link Wi-Fi router that we have here, or you can use the YouTube shopping links available on our video. There you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all. You'll get notified once we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.